Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the second device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just click on this gear right next to paired device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!